Start.
Yes, ma'am. Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to the team of New Era School. Let us take you to the tour of
Kerala.
Let us take a tour of Kerala. Culture, food and festival. But before that, let me introduce my talented team. Rule number 7, Dash. Rule number 8, Delisha. Rule number 9, it's me, Gail. Rule number 10, Ditya. Rule number 11, Hari Rudra. Rule number 12, Harshim. Now I request dear Ditya to take us ahead.
Start.
Thank you, Dev. Kerala, India's tropical Malabar coast. It has 6,000 kilometers of Arabian Sea coastline. It is known for plain line beaches, ghats, and mountains. It is famous for spices, plantation, tea and coffee plantation. It has amazing wildlife, national park. Darsh, can you add more about Kerala?
Namaskaram bolo. Yes, very good. Start.
The Periyar National Park, Kerala, is super famous for elephants, monkeys, and tigers. Now, friends, let's go with Hari Rudra to know more.
I am Hari Rudra from class 4th C. Thanks, Darsh. Kerala has very famous tourist places such as Elape, Monar, Kolam, Kochi, Khakre, and many more. Now let my friend Delisha will share with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Hari Rudra. Kerala has unique traditional that reflects in their food and festival. Kerala celebrate Onam, Eid, boat festival, Vishnu, Deyam, Pongal, Christmas, and many others. Let my friend Harshil give light on food of Kerala.
Thank you, Delisha. Let us understand food of Kerala. Kerala cuisine is a savory. Thank you, Delisha. Let us understand food of Kerala. Kerala cuisine is a savory style originating in the Kerala, a region in the south of India. Kerala cuisine offers multitude of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Some of famous dishes are puttu, kadala curry, idiyappam, appam, kappa, fish curry, chicken curry, Malabar paratha, cassava, thattu, koda dosa, sambaram, paisam, and the list goes on and on. Let's go back with Dey and Delisha.
Kerala has heritage of spices like pepper, vanilla, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, asafoetida, turmeric, mustard seeds, and turmeric. Apart from this, the richness of Kerala food comes from coconut and curry leaves. Now our team has prepared various dishes and they are going to share their nutrition and benefits. Here I am heading over to Hari Rudra again.
Thank you once again, Dey and Delisha. My dish is puttu kodam. Puttu kodam and kadala curry. Puttu kodam is made from rice flour, salt and water. Mixed 49.8 grams fiber, 5.5 grams, fat 9.5 grams. Puttu is eaten with kadala curry. Kadala curry is made from
boiled black grams tempered with mustard seeds, fennel seeds, spice, onions and tomatoes. This is an yummy dish during breakfast. Protein 7 grams, carbohydrates 25.3 grams, fiber 12.3 grams, fat 10.8 grams. Thank you.
Hi, I have taken dosa. One homemade plain dosa without oil contains about 112 calories, of which 84% is carbohydrate and 16% protein. Dosa is South Indian dish. Its batter is made up of yogurt. There is also a coconut chutney. In South Indian, it is served on banana leaf. There is also sambar. With it we drink masala chas. It is very tasty. It is very colorful dish. Thank you. And ma'am, I want to show my dish.
I present the
Follow.
I present the breakfast dish of Kerala, that idiyappam. To make idiyappam, we need 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup spoon all salt and water. It contains about 69 calories, 1 gram protein, 10.5 grams carbohydrates, and 1 gram fiber. Thank you.
Good.
Rice has special recipe in Kerala. It is main course of Kerala. Rose Matta rice is the main variety of rice growing in the Palakkad of the rice district of Kerala. Benefits of rice. It is known for its coarseness and health benefits. High contents of nutrients. It is contains carbs and best source of macration. It
Reduce.
reduce risk of certain diseases. It has high fiber, contains vitamins like A and B. Nutrition chart. Carbs 28 grams, vitamins B 65, minerals, potassium 35 and mg. Fats 0.3 grams. Harshit, please continue.
Yes. Hello, my name is Arshi. Today my dish is vada sambar. Recipe of sambar. Firstly, pressure cook half cup tur dal, 1 tomato, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and salt, 1/2 cup water for 5 whistles. In a kadai, heat 3 teaspoon oil and saute 1 teaspoon mustard, pinch of hing. One dried red chili and few curry leaves. Also saute 2 green chili and half onion for a minute. Now add half cup tamarind extract, half teaspoon jaggery and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Boil for 10 minutes or till tamarind extract gets cooked well. Add in whisked dal and tomato. Mix well. Also add 1/2 cup water and adjust consistency. Boil well. Furthermore, add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder and stir well. Add in 1 tablespoon ghee and boil for 2 minutes. Finally, sambar is ready to serve with vada or idli. Vada. Vada is a crispy, deep-fried, savory food made of lentils. They are made by soaking and grinding urad dal or chana dal to batter. Then small portions of this batter is deep fried. Benefits of vada sambar. High on proteins. Sambar is made of pulses full of fibers. In addition to proteins, pulses used in sambar are high on fibers too. Antioxidant punch. Easy to digest. Weight loss benefits. Detox benefits. Festivals. We eat vada sambar during festivals like Varalakshmi Vratam, Gauri Puja, Diwali and Durga Navratri. Nutrients. 11 gram carbohydrate, 6 gram protein, vitamin, minerals, 0.3 gram fat, 135 calories, 0 cholesterol. Thank you.
Wow. I like to eat vada sambar.
Yes. I am presenting the dessert.
And it is also called Medu Vada.
Okay. Next time when I make this food, I will call you and I'll ask you the process. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Jay. Continue.
I am presenting the dessert dish of Kerala, that is payasam. To make payasam, we need 1 big spoon of moong dal. Roast it and pressure cook it till 2 whistles. Make 1 cup of jaggery syrup, coconut milk. Mix them with boiled moong dal. Now heat ghee, roast coconut pieces and almond into it. Sprinkle them along with cardamom powder over moong dal mixture. Payasam is ready to eat. Top benefits of payasam: tender coconut milk for electrolyte balance, coconut pieces for digestive health, milk for bone strength, almond for heart wellness. Nutrition values: 100 grams payasam has calories 430, carbohydrates 84 grams 98%, fat 6 gram 13%, protein 10 grams 9%, mineral 150 mg, vitamin A, B, C and D. Let's say friends, Kerala nan
Ne premi na Kerala nan ninne premi kunnu nandi.
Speak, okay? Ditya, what have you made? I will ask you one by one. Yes, Ditya. What is that? I cannot see. Yes, Ditya. क्या खा रहे हो आप? Rice and what? Imli rice. Which rice? Okay. Okay. Next, Dhey, you can explain. What are food items you have kept?
Ma'am, this is payasam. This is ma'am, this is decoration and
Oh, I cannot see, beta. I cannot see properly. Payasam, I cannot see.
Ma'am, now can you see?
No, your camera is towards that rice.
Now.
Yes, now I can see. I don't know why is it moving so much. Yes, Delisha, you can speak.
Ma'am, this is dosa.
Yes.
This is sabji.
Yes.
This is dal, and this is coconut chutney.
Oh, wow, great. Now Hari Rudra. Yes, Hari.
Kerala.
Hari, you can say.
This is kadala curry. This is green chutney. Ma'am, in the Kerala, we will say Kerala rose matha rice.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Very nice. Absolutely
Yes.
correct.
ma'am, now can you see my old dish?
Yes, I can see. I can
Ma'am,
see.
this is kesar. This is
Yes.
grated coconut, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
this is grated coconut. This is rice, ma'am. Famous
Okay,
in
very good.
Kerala. And ma'am, this is payasam. And this
Okay.
is some shakkar. And this is decoration.
Okay, very nice decoration. And what about this Hari? What is that cylindrical one? What is that cylindrical one, Hari? Hari Rudra, can you tell me what is the cylindrical one?
Hari?
You are not saying Hari?
Hari, you are new. This is
Ah. Oh,
rice flour.
oh, wow, nice. So you all have prepared it very nicely from the very morning. I think you all are preparing. Excellent. Good job.